Brian.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Cultivate wisdom. You don't have to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your mind, you respect your body, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 237, NASDAQ off 95, S&P's off 22, gold contract down $17, trading at $17.96 an ounce. Silver down 22 cents, $19.53 an ounce. Light sweet crude off a half a buck, $40.69 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note right now up 3 ticks, trading 139.14. The 30-year up a half a point, up 15 ticks at 180.06. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 303 ticks, trading 96.383. The Euro's at 113. The Yen is at 107.5, and the British Pound's at 125 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, bottom line, folks, is that you've had a choppy market out here today. You've had the S&P basically go back and forth, 10 points. You're down 20, you're down 10, you're down 20, you're down 10. That being said, the first real sale that we had coming into this was right before I got on the air. So this is going to be intriguing watching how this market shakes out. What you had here, the last time that we came down, excluding just 10 minutes ago, folks. Last time we were coming down, you're coming down with 15,000 contracts. You come down with 45,000 earlier in the day. That's when the market got going. And then what just happened is that the first sell that outside of the open, 10 o'clock this morning, is that we first got the first sell like a good 30,000 on the way down. So it's going to be really intriguing seeing how it handles the 31.88. Because thus far, I would say that you don't have sellers in the marketplace. Well, we haven't had sellers in the marketplace. Let's put it that way. Doesn't mean we're not going to have them roaring into this close out here. We're going to take a look at the NASDAQ composite, NDX 100 rather. NDX 100 is the weakest indice once again. It's pretty wild watching this thing shake out. Now, that being said, it's already gained back over 100 points. It's only down 94 points right now. We had hit a low out there of 10,475, which is 115 points lighter. We'll see where that baby shakes out. Gold contract, bottom line, he slammed the gold contract. Hasn't got, though, to the lower band from Tuesday. Bottom line, you're down $17 right now. You're at $17.96. You're still, bottom line, to get back inside the lower range, you're talking about another $10. And we'll see how that shakes out. Needless to say, we know that when we go into Fridays, it's always pretty wild. It's particularly wild when you have summer trading and you're going to have less volume. That being said, we do have monthly option expiration tomorrow. Notes and bonds, they continue to want higher price. Pretty amazing, actually, when you take a look at that note and bond market. Let's go take a look at the silver just for a second. Silver market has finally caught a bid. That's going after the 21 area. You're at 1953. That's down 23 cents out here today. You get 49,000 contracts. You're going to need a lot more contract volume to get the higher price, because what we did do out here, we got to the 1987 out here today. Yeah, so the bottom line is that we haven't backed down much off of that high, but that is pushing highs now, and you're pushing highs with a contraction of volume, where you want just the opposite if you're a bull. You want to be pushing highs with an expansion of volume. King Dollar saved itself, man. Bottom line, we did out here yesterday is that King Dollar didn't make the lowest swing. The lowest swing point that it's going after, folks, is 95,716. And yesterday we made it to 95,777. Bottom line, rejected price. Today it made it to 95,893, then took off topside. Hasn't broken the downtrend yet, and it's good. This is all about the euro, because we go take a look at the euro. You're going to see the euro out here. That euro made it today to 114.42, and bottom line gave it up in price. Right now you're at 113.74. We go take a look at the yen to get a gauge on the metals market and what you have with the yen out here right now. Yen also getting weaker. And that's why you see that movement in gold. Yen's up 46 ticks, 107.40. That has been in the same range. Some of the higher volume equities out here. And we're going to have Netflix come out with the numbers right after the close. And they are immediate, folks. When Netflix comes out with numbers, it's like 4.00001. Okay, let's see what we got here. You get American down $1.10. You get Norwegian Cruise off 250. You got Virgin Galactic, that's up 255. United's off 239. You get Apple down 550. You have to go to Apple and Microsoft. They're hitting Apple and Microsoft. That's kind of interesting. Microsoft's down 470. Apple's down 560. You get Dell. Dell's on a tear. Dell's up 10%. It looks like they're going to push VMware out. So let's go to Apple first and take a look at Apple. Apple right now. Okay, so yeah, Apple's down $5. It's actually trading sideways. No big deal there. We go take a look at Microsoft. That's also down 470. What Microsoft's doing, Microsoft's going to try to test this low that was established out here on Tuesday at 202.03. We got to 202.31 today, and you have quite a contraction of volume. That's a big contraction of volume. We take a look at Amazon. Amazon right now down $17. And Netflix. Netflix is going to be coming out with their numbers after the close out here today, folks. Netflix is trading $5.27. The all-time high is $5.75. Netflix is going to be looking for, let's see what we're looking for here. Netflix is going to be looking to bring to the top line $6.1 billion and to the bottom line $182. So technically, let's see how this baby's set up. Well, you're pushing with volume, man. The bottom line, you're pushing with volume. That's a trip. That's saying it's going to go test the size again, man. Yeah. You know, we get 15 million. You know, yesterday went sideways with 10. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.